Okay, let's finish putting in numbers here, and then we'll start to make a table to pull all this information off for your workout cards. So I'm going to continue off, Control C, paste, formula, and snatch. We're going to go, it's about 70% of the clean, so we'll keep it that. So times 0.7 power snatch. Now this is going to be based off of the snatch. So we come in here, clean. You can either start typing it or we want to select that. Snatch. And this will be 97%. Oh. All right. Push press. These are calculated off the clean as well. Paste the formula. Control C. Paste the formula. Now, we could save time by just doing Control C, selecting all these and just pasting the formula, but some of them are based off of snatches and all that stuff, so that's the only reason I'm not doing to. It's not that big of a, it's not that time consuming to fix it if you choose to do it that route. Jerk, keeping it with the clean. Now these formulas are based off of like some stuff in the literature that shows loads based off of other lifts. Again, it could be off. Hang clean. We're going off. Power clean. Then we're going to go 97%. Snatch, Control C. Oh, I'm going to go back to jerk, because if I do that one, it's off the power clean. Hang snatch, now let's just be based off of power snatch. So if you utilize the Olympic lifts, you could just simply test where you're at on these and adjust from that. Clean pull, I always just do off of the back squat. You can always do a clean pull more than you can clean. So come in here, back squat. Back squat. And we're going 93%. Where did I mess it up? Oh, got one too many. One too many brackets there. Alright. So now we got a max sheet started. Make sure it saves. So now we want to figure out how we're going to put the information and come up with formulas to base our percentages off of. Again, we're going to do it once to make sure we got it. So if you have extra lifts you want to put in here, make sure you put those in. So we're going to go to our 3-day here. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to select these rows right here. So I'm going to select the first two. Control C, I'm coming back to my 3-day. I want to find a space not on the training sheet, so I'm going to start with, for simplicity's sake, let's go with BA, and we'll go right on second cell. And it did not paste as a table, which is good. We don't want that, so I'm going to fix this. I'm going to fix this, so we're going to go format cells, and I want it to be horizontal. Horizontal text. And we got to fix this, because now this is, cell 2 was enormous to fit. There, so let's go reselect all this. We don't want to wrap it. Shrink to fit, because we're not going to need to be able to see all that. And that fixed that. So now our problem is we got all of this on our print sheet. So if I go to File, Print, holy crap, we don't want that. So I know this isn't a printable object, but now it's moved on to our printable sheet. So we're going to select these columns. We're going to go to Data. We're going to group them. We want to group all the columns. We want to minimize. And there we go. So it hides those cells. So when I go back to File, Print, voila, we are good to go. It's doing a time check here. So I got a couple minutes. All right. So this is where all of my data is going to get pulled from for my maxes. We're going to use a horizontal lookup, and I'm going to go over that next video because I want to be able to just knock it all out in one block. But a horizontal lookup, so we're going to tell, in these cells right here, we're going to go with a formula to say, for this athlete, I want the maxes for the lift in this box. And then whatever percentage I put in here, I want it to base that load off of. Sounds complex, it really isn't that much. Alright, so I'm going to leave this open. I'm going to end the video right here, and we'll pick up in the next video this.